running a couple errands. I should be home in about 5 to 10 minutes, and I'm gonna start working on the Miata because I've really been neglecting that thing lately, and I just want to get it ready. Just hate the smoke, I hate the oil leaks. I'm not even a seltzer guy, but the Bud Light like summer seltzers or whatever these things are really good. Here, VQ. But yeah, like I was saying, I want to straighten out my oil drain situation. I got a leak, I think. I got to check out up there. Ricer, dude. Yeah, I got to wash this thing too. Honestly, I might wash both my cars. I've been on vacation for like a week, and that's why the videos have been lacking. And sorry about that, but I'm getting back to the videos now. So I'll put in a little clip of like what happened over vacation. It's kind of cool.
Like this.
All right, what's going on, guys? Basically right now we're on Block Island. It's
We got the peanut butter for the french fries.
redemption.
You fucking pussied out like a bitch.
They fly me out for shows, then I do what I'm sent to. Rapping 4,000 babes back inside the venue. I've been killing it for ages. I'm always checking ages. If she ain't trying to fuck me first, I
Hold on, guys. Hold on, guys. Two.
pillows up in hazes. I've been going hammy ham, chilling with a slammy slam. She could take a picture, just don't put that shit on
27.
Instagram. One night stands, I am a fan. All I do is
But let's get into the Miata. All these junk eBay turbos. Never get eBay turbos. If you're turboing your car, you'll regret it because you'll just go through like 4 of them. Also, shout out to CX Racing because my turbo smokes and is shot after like, it started smoking after like 2 weeks, and it was like a $500 turbo. So do not buy from them, they're trash. You think it's gonna start? I know exactly what that is. We're gonna fix this today too. Right here at Lock City Drift, my terminal broke. Just gotta wiggle that. You know, the fuel pump turns on, but I have the part, I just haven't fixed it. All right, so here's the situation in the Miata. I haven't driven this car in like weeks. It shoots oil out of the blow-up valve. You can see it all here on the radiator. Look at, yeah, that's straight out the blow-up valve. So that's junk. It's leaking oil all underneath the turbo, which I hate. I hate when cars leak oil, so I just haven't been driving it. This battery terminal, I'm just lazy. I'm definitely gonna replace this right now. It's literally just one of these. This thing snapped right there. That happened like drifting too, like a month ago. And so today I'm gonna be fixing my oil drain. I don't know if you guys could see it. Yeah, let me turn on the flash. Right there, see how it's flat? I'm gonna angle up that elbow more vertically so the oil drains faster. Also, it's kind of junk because since this much oil is blowing out of my blow-off valve, that means that my intercooler is like most definitely just filled with oil at this point. And I thought it was maybe blow-by, so I got this catch can, and it's been on here like a month and it's completely dry. Every time I drive the car, it's completely dry. So yeah, it's got to be that junk turbo. So never buy CX Racing. I even asked for a replacement to see maybe if this was like a fluke, and they said we could give you one for like $350, and I was like, yeah, I think I'm good. So just took the cone off. It's all oily in there, and there's oil right there. So obviously there's a seal that's bad if oil's coming out of the inlet, which is not good. All right, so I just broke this loose right here. What I'm gonna do is angle this up like that, and I'm gonna have to trim the hose right here because this setup how I have right now, I feel like it's not draining correctly because it's not actually flowing down towards the car. It's more, it was just flat like that, and I feel like it would bottle up and it wouldn't drain correctly. So I'm gonna angle that way up and cut the hose so there's no kinks and just run it straight down, and then hopefully that fixes some of the oil leak issue. All right, so basically what I'm gonna do right now is cut the hose. All right, cut. All right, guys, so right here, this is where we cut off the hose, about 2 inches. And if you look in here, here's the new setup. It's got a big angle up right here. It's almost vertical. It's just got a slight angle towards the back of the engine bay, and the hose is going straight down the whole way. There's no kinks, nothing. So that will work way better. So after that, I'm just gonna do the battery terminal. We'll probably take it for a drive, and I'll decide if I really want to take off the intercooler or not today. As you can see, this one's cracked. I was at Lock City, and I guess drifting around, it just broke. It couldn't handle the G's. So I got a new one right here, Autocraft AutoZone Special, and I'm gonna replace it right now. So let me go get the ratchet and throw that in. All right, so I just put on this new terminal. This one, honestly, it seems a lot beefier, and this plate is a much better design, so I think that will hold up. Now, I mean, it's just my turbo's shot at this point. At least that's what I think. We're gonna take it for a drive and just see if there's any more oil leaks up in the front near that drain, and then go from there. All right, guys, we're on the Miata right now. Obviously, I'm not gonna be able to tell until afterwards, but this car, the turbo is really weird. There's zero shaft play, and it works mint. It just smokes a shit ton, like on decel. It's not even just decel. It's kind of just like after you do a big pull, like you could even be on the gas. So it could be valve stem seals, but I don't know. Also, why do I have all that oil blow by? If you guys know, let me know in the comments. I think the turbo shot, and I might need valve stem seals too. But I'll do a little blow right here to show you guys, because I haven't driven this car in a while. All right, we're back. Excuse those drifts. The road setup was not that good, but just checking to see. I do see some oil down there, so right on the steering rack. It's really weird. If anyone knows what could be leaking oil on a Miata, right near the steering rack, driver's side, below like the manifold in that area, and the blow-off valve still spraying oil. Obviously you saw it smoked like a chimney, and yeah, I just need a new turbo, I think. I might do valve stem seals too, which honestly I'll probably do, because that's definitely cheaper than a turbo and stuff. You just gotta take the head off. At least it'll start up every time now. I put the new terminal in, and the oil drain is much better. So that might be the end for this video. I'm not sure if I have anything else to do to this thing today. But thanks for watching, guys. Thank you guys for 400 subs. I'm either going to do a special for 400, maybe 500. Honestly, I might just do one for 400, though, because that's pretty big for me. So give this video a like and sub. I'll see you guys in the next one.